Hawk's opening his last present, and no, he's not. He's going away to check out that gift bag. Huck wants to climb on his present. Don't fall, honey. Honey, what is Daddy doing to you?
Oh my goodness!
Honey.
Hey, look up.
Huck, what are you doing? What is Daddy doing to you?
I said, I'd have more fun with boxes. Ooh.
It's getting good at this ripping this.
Yeah.
There's so many parts.
No more, no more.
I was like, wait, there's something here to play with that. Oh, look at that.
Let me get back on it.
Oh, I like this. This is my guy. Oh, it's awesome. This fucking that Henry.
Good job.
Yay!
Hooray! Shake, 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 shake. Touchdown!
We're not going to talk about Giants today.
Tell me about it. And yet they're still in the playoff spot.
They still have a chance.
Yeah.
I thought I told you that. Well, I thought they said that. I thought if they lost, they didn't have a chance.
They shouldn't. They're going to finish at best 8-8 if they can manage to beat the Redskins next week.
You're almost done, sweetie.
Did she bring us at the end? Yeah.
Yeah, I put it. It's
right.
next to
It's on the
Kimba.
other side of Kimba.
Thank you.
Probably not the best place for it, but
I just more.
He got blocked.
I just didn't know if it actually had made it in.
yeah.
Ooh. Is this from you, Grandma? Or, no. Grandma.
Touchdown! What?
And he tackles it.
Awesome.
Linebacker here.
Apparently.
And Merry Christmas, everybody.
Say thank you.
He's more interested in my.
I look at he's just on his knees now, huh?
Yeah. Say touchdown!
Touchdown! Oh, we're gonna stand up.
Well, he can stand up and do touchdown.
Wait a minute, I can't do that and stand up.
Oh.
Oh, we tried. Touchdown!
Yay, touchdown!
So
Wait,
cute.
I'll sit down and do it. I can't stand up and do it, Grandma.
He's
Oh,
trying.
he is. He's trying to do it.
He's very
Aw,
close.
touchdown!
That's only halfway there. That's in the red zone.
Like.
Touchdown!
I think he is very, very, very excited to walk
Yeah. Touchdown! What's that?
False start.
Apparently. Touchdown! Look, he's doing false start. Yeah. Is he clapping?
Yeah,
Yay!
he's so
False start.
Touchdown! Sorry, I'm right up against you
I
here.
think he's clapping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Touchdown!
Yay!
He's a true Giants fan. Touchdown. Wait, false start. So you can do the
Yay!
Ah, so it's the...
Henry,
Yeah.
there's the red bag has all the papers in.
Good job, Huck. Huck, look at Mama. Touchdown! He's up. Touchdown! Touchdown! Huck!
Is this the first time you saw it?
Yes!
How exciting is that? We were sitting
And I got it on video. Good job!
We saw him. Yes, we
we
saw
did.
him. We were here
Good
for a
job,
milestone.
you were up on the box.
The man on the box.
Daddy silly, what are you doing? You riding it? He's like, okay, gonna be sick.
Well, if you're gonna be sick, at least be sick on Daddy.
Wait, what's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing?
Yeah.
He was trying. He was trying.
I'm about to lose battery. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Huck,
On Christmas
Mommy's
Day,
over here.
2006.
Food.
That'll be an easy one now.
Oh.
Oh,
Goodness!
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You got your hands?
Bye-bye.